Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of my latest shoot with India Dori. We're decoding 5 stunning ethnic looks today, and honestly, the vibes were just immaculate. Let's dive into the first one. We started the day with this gorgeous lavender set. Can we just talk about the paisley embroidery? It's so delicate but still makes such a statement. Since it was early morning, the natural light hitting the garden was perfect. I paired this with some heavy statement earrings and a clean, dewy makeup look. And here's a pro tip. When you're shooting in a garden, let the wind do the work for your dupatta. It adds that instant cinematic drama. Next up, we switched gears to this soft pink ensemble. This one has a much more girl next door yet classy feel. The white thread work on the neckline is so intricate. I swapped my hair into a sleek ponytail to really show off those shell drop earrings. We moved to a more neutral stone wall background to let the pink really pop. If you're looking for a perfect daytime wedding guest outfit, this is definitely it. Time for a little behind the scenes reality check. We were shooting in absolute scorching heat. The real struggle here was maintaining those effortless, relaxed expressions while practically melting and feeling the makeup starting to sweat off. It takes serious focus to keep the face looking fresh on camera when the weather is against you. To bring a little extra life to the outfit and contrast the soft pink, I added that pop of red color. It just tied everything together perfectly and gave the whole look that vibrant energy it needed. Also, I love the dupatta, which was so sheer and incredibly lightweight. Okay, look 3 was a moment. The steel, blue, or grey Banarsi set felt so royal. The fabric has this incredible sheen that just screams luxury. We went for a grand entrance vibe here. Lots of walking shots and dupatta flips. I love how the gold zari work catches the light. This is definitely the boss lady version of ethnic wear. We shot this near the architecture of the building to give it that high fashion editorial look. This Banarsi salwar suit felt so royal. For this setup, we actually moved over to a garden area and I sat down near this bench. We specifically wanted to get some gorgeous sitting shots to properly highlight the dupatta because, guys, the work on it is completely full and the drape is just stunning when it's spread out. I decided to keep my hair in that sleek ponytail from the last look, which honestly ended up being a huge blessing because let me tell you, if the scorching heat wasn't enough of a challenge earlier, we were suddenly full on battling the wind. It was such a struggle trying to keep the heavy dupatta perfectly placed and looking completely effortless while the wind was trying to blow in it every single direction. Look 4 is for my Anarkali lovers. This emerald green suit is a total showstopper. It has a beautiful flare and the dupatta has these cute little polka dots that give it a playful touch. I honestly couldn't stop spinning in this one. We found this lush green corner which complemented the outfit perfectly. This color is so flattering on Indian skin tones. If you don't have emerald green in your wardrobe yet, what are you doing? We switched up the locations and I knew I had to change my hairstyle for this one. When you're decoding different looks, changing the hair is so important to give each outfit its own unique personality. But let's talk about the real challenge. It was exactly 2:58 p.m. right in the peak of that scorching afternoon heat. Trying to look fresh, dewy and model ready when the sun is beating down on you is an Olympic sport, I promise. To give the emerald green a bold contrast, I swiped on a bright red lipstick. It just makes the whole face pop against the deep tones of the suit. I also switched out my earrings to match the mood, and then we spent some time experimenting with the dupatta to really showcase the design of the suit itself. We tried keeping the dupatta behind the shoulders to see how it would drape. That's the thing about these shoots. You have to experiment on the spot to see what looks best on the camera. And finally, we ended the day on a high note with this vibrant, festive red. This is a classic Bandhani style print with a modern twist. The floral dupatta adds such a fresh, romantic layer to the whole look. We did some close up shots here to capture the details of the jewelry and the makeup. It's the perfect outfit to wrap up a long day of shooting. And that's a wrap on the India Dori Decode. Which look was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell